Module 6 Part 1. Topics in Part 1 are Fuzzy if-then rule-based inference engine and Takaaki Sujino fuzzy systems. Fuzzy rules. In rule-based systems, the relationships between variables are represented by means of fuzzy if-then rules. The general form is given by if P then Q, where P is called antecedent and proposition Q is known as consequent. A fuzzy rule can be defined as a conditional statement in the form if X is A, then Y is B, where X and Y are linguistic variables and A and B are linguistic values determined by fuzzy sets on the universe of discourses X and Y respectively. Application of compositional rule of inference in approximate reasoning. A fuzzy rule can be of the form if X is A, then Y is B. Consider given rules, rule 1 and rule 2. Here rule 1 is if X is A, then Y is B, where A and B represent fuzzy propositions or fuzzy sets. Now consider rule 2. Rule 2 is if X is A dash, then Y is B dash. Here it is possible to derive the consequent in rule 2, that is B dash, by applying compositional rule of inference, where B dash equal to A dash composition R. The procedure to obtain conclusion like this is generally approximate reasoning. To generate a fuzzy rule based system, we need to apply composition of rules. So there are various composition of rules. Composition of fuzzy relations R1 and R2 is obtained by applying the max-min composition rule, which is given by R1 composition R2 equal to maximum for every Y, minimum mu R1 XY, mu R2 YZ, and it is denoted as mu R1 R2 XZ. Similarly, the maximum product composition is defined as mu R1 composition R2 XZ equal to mu R1 XY dot mu R2 YZ. For every X element of X, Y element of Y, and Z element of Z, and here R1 is a subset of X cross Y, and relation R2 is a subset of Y cross Z. For example, consider a fuzzy rule X and Y are approximately equal. The premise is X is small. Let R of XY be approximately equal, and consider R of X as small x. So membership degree of R of X is given, it's denoted by mu Rx. So corresponding to each value of X, say 1, 2, 3, 4, mu Rx is defined as 1.6.10 respectively. Similarly, membership degree of R of xy is also given in the table. Now apply Max-Min composition rule to obtain R of y. So R of y equal to R of x composition R of xy. So we get mu ry equal to mu rx and mu rxy. Membership degree of R of y is given in the table. If we consider a fuzzy rule by using implication, then the fuzzy relation R is denoted as A implies B. That is, R can be viewed as a fuzzy set with a two-dimensional membership function mu rxy, where mu rxy equal to f of mu ax mu by. The minimum operation rule of fuzzy implication is defined as RC equal to A cross B equal to integral over x cross y mu ax and mu by, where and denotes the minimum operator. Similarly, product rule operation of fuzzy implication is defined as Rp equal to A cross B equal to integral over x cross y mu ax dot mu by, where dot is the algebraic product operator. Consider an example by using fuzzy implication. The fuzzy rule is of the form: if temperature is high, then humidity is fairly high. Here let R of th denote the given implication. Then R of th is, if T is A, then H is B. That is, it is of the form R of T implies R of H, where R of T is A and R of H is B. Membership degree of A and B are given in the table. Corresponding to T is A, membership degree is denoted as mu AT for temperature, and corresponding to H is B, membership degree is denoted as mu BH for humidity. Now calculate RC of TH, which is defined on A cross B. So here RC of TH is obtained by applying a minimum operation. So RC of TH equal to integral mu AT and mu BH. The membership degree of RC of TH is given in the table. Suppose we need to get information about the humidity when the premise about temperature is given in the form temperature is fairly high. So here, instead of temperature is high, the premise is temperature is fairly high. So in this case, linguistic hedge is fairly. So we need to modify the premise R of T in the form R of T is A dash, where A dash is fairly high. So corresponding to mu AT, membership degree of mu A dash of T is obtained by taking the square of membership degrees of mu AT. Membership degree of mu A dash of T is given in the table. Now to get the information about humidity, compute R of H, where R of H equal to R of T composition RC of TH. membership degree corresponding to R of H is given in the table, which is denoted by mu b dash of H. So this is the procedure to obtain fuzzy inference when the fuzzy implication is given. We can distinguish classical and fuzzy rules. A classical if-then rule uses binary logic. If you consider rule 1, if speed is greater than 100, then stopping distance is long. And rule 2, if speed is less than 40, then stopping distance is short. The speed can have any numerical value between 0 and 220 km per hour, but the linguistic variable stopping distance can take either value long or short. In the fuzzy case, the stopping distance and speed can also be defined as fuzzy sets. Rule 1 is if speed is fast, then stopping distance is long. Rule 2 is if speed is slow, then stopping distance is short. In fuzzy rules, the linguistic variable speed also has a range between 0 and 220 km per hour, but this range includes fuzzy sets such as slow, medium and fast. And the universe of discourse for linguistic variable stopping distance can be between 0 and 300 meter, and that includes such fuzzy sets short, medium and long. Fuzzy inference systems. Fuzzy inference or approximate reasoning is the actual process of mapping from a given input to an output by using fuzzy logic. The process involves a membership function of fuzzy set, fuzzy logic operators and several if-then rules. Fuzzy inference system is also known by a number of names such as fuzzy rule based system, fuzzy expert system, fuzzy model, fuzzy associative memory, fuzzy logic controller, etc. The architecture of fuzzy inference system is given in the diagram. Various steps involved in fuzzy inference system are: step 1, compare the input variables with the membership functions on the antecedent part to obtain the membership values of each linguistic label. This step is known as fuzzification. Step 2, combine the membership values on the premise part to get firing strength of each rule. Step 3, generate the qualified consequence of each rule depending on the firing strength. And step 4, aggregate the qualified consequence to produce a crisp output. This step is called defuzzification. Fuzzy knowledge base. The rule base and the database are jointly referred to as the knowledge base. A rule base contains a number of fuzzy if-then rules. A database which defines the membership functions of the fuzzy sets used in the fuzzy rules. In fuzzy inference system, first we need to convert crisp input into fuzzy set. A fuzzifier converts the crisp input into a linguistic variable using the membership function stored in the fuzzy knowledge base. Inference engine. Here, if then type fuzzy rule converts fuzzy input to fuzzy output. Defuzzifier. Defuzzifier converts the fuzzy output of the inference engine to crisp output using membership functions analogous to the ones used by the fuzzifier. The most important fuzzy inference methods are Mamdani and Sugino model. Here we discuss only the Sugino model, generally known as Takagi-Sugino model or TSK model. The main difference between two methods lies in the consequence of fuzzy rules. A fuzzy singleton is a fuzzy set with a membership function that is unity at a single particular point on the universe of discourse and zero everywhere else. The format of Takagi-Sugino style fuzzy rule is: if x is a and y is b, then z is f of xy, where x, y and z are linguistic variables. A and b are fuzzy sets on universe of discourses x and y respectively, and f of xy is a mathematical function. So in TSK model, A and B are fuzzy sets and z equal to f of xy represent a crisp function which is written in terms of x and y. So in this TSK model, if z equal to k, where k is a constant, then it is known as zero order model. So zero order Takagi-Sugino model is of the form: if x is a and y is b, then z is k, where k is a constant. In this case, the output of each fuzzy rule is a constant. All consequent membership functions are represented by fuzzy singletons. Zero order Takagi-Sugino style rule evaluation is given in the diagram. The aggregation of three outputs is given in the diagram. Calculate the weighted average and then apply defuzzification method to obtain a crisp output. Here it is denoted by Z1. A first order Sugino model has the following rules. Rule 1: if x is a1 and y is b1, then f1 equal to p1x plus q1y plus r1. And rule 2: if x is a2 and y is b2, then f2 equal to p2x plus q2y plus r2. So in first order model, f of xy is not constant. Consider example rule R1: if x is small and y is small, then z equal to minus x plus y plus 1. Rule R2: if x is small and y is large, then z is equal to minus y plus 3. Rule R3: if x is large and y is small, then z equal to minus x plus 3. Rule R4: if x is large and y is large, then z equal to x plus y plus 2. The reasoning scheme is given in the diagram. Consider the example of Sugino model with three rules. The first rule: if x is small, then y equal to 0.1x plus 6.4. Second rule, if x is medium, then y equal to minus 0.5 x plus 4. Third rule, if x is large, then y equal to x minus 2. So here, if we assume that small, medium and large are non-fuzzy sets, then the overall input-output curve is a piecewise linear curve. Piecewise linearity is shown in the diagram. But if we consider smooth membership functions, then the overall input-output curve becomes a smoother one.